Hello students, Namaste. Here I am Sunil Harinkede, Subject Assistant English from Diet Gondia. Dear students, today we will discuss on subject English of my English book 5 from standard 5th. Dear children, today we will see all about money and which is given on page number 80 of your textbook, standard 5th textbook. So I request you please open your textbook page number 80, and in this way we will learn about all about money. Learn with fun. So let's learn about all about money. Look, listen and read with me. Dear children, look, listen and read with me. माझ्यासोबत तुम्हाला वाचायचं आहे आणि ऐकायचं सुद्धा आहे. ओके. We all need money to buy things and pay people who works for us. म्हणजेच आपल्याला विविध प्रकारच्या वस्तू खरेदी करण्यासाठी आणि जे लोक आपल्यासाठी काम करतात, ओके, मीन्स हू वर्क्स फॉर अस, सो फॉर देम वी हॅव टू पे मनी अँड वी हॅव टू नीड ऑफ मनी. आपल्याला पैशांची गरज असते. बट व्हॉट इज मनी? बरोबर आहे ना. पण पैसा म्हणजे काय? हू इन्व्हेंटेड मनी? पैसा कोणी शोधून काढला? कसा शोध लागला? वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस लेसन. टुडे वी विल सी मनी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉइन्स अँड नोट्स. म्हणजेच आपल्याकडे सध्या कॉइन आणि नोट्स या प्रकारेच आपण पैसे वापरतो ना, तर त्यांची माहिती ह्या तासिकेमध्ये आपण घेणार आहोत. ओके. सो अँड दिस इज द सिम्बॉल ऑफ इंडियन रुपये. तुम्हाला माहिती असेल भारतीय रुपयासाठी आता हा सिम्बॉल आपण वापरतो. ओके. सो करन्सी म्हणजे काय होते माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? चलन. मराठीमध्ये त्याला चलन म्हणतो. अँड दॅट इज कॅश मनी, कॅश. सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट. कॉइन्स. द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ करन्सी इज कॉइन्स अँड द सेकंड वन्स आर नोट्स. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे नाणी आणि नोटा असतात. ओके. So a 50 paisa coin in the past tense or in the past days we have 50 paisa coin. Then we have a 1 rupee coin, then a 2 rupee coin, a 5 rupee coin, and now a 10 rupee coin. And dear students, sometimes we have I think we heard about 100 rupee coins also, but now we have available a 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and a 10 rupee coin. Now in currency today we are using a 5 rupee note, a 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupees note, a 100 rupee note, 500 rupees note, and a 2000 rupees note. So in this way we are using coins and note. Dear students, we will see about coins. So just see in this picture, there are the old coins. Yes, 3 paisa coin, 5 paisa coin, 1 paisa. This is 1 paisa. Okay. 20 paisa, 20 paise coin. Yes, so these are the old coins and they are not in use. म्हणजे आता आपण त्यांना वापरत नाही. But this is 10 paisa coin, 20 paisa coin, 10 paisa coin, 5 paise, 5 paise, 1 paise, 3 paise, 2 paise. So these are the old coins. Now we have 50 paise coin, then 1 rupee coin. This is the another side of 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupee coin. This is also the another type of 2 rupee coin. So this is another one 2 rupee coin. 5 rupees. These are also the 5 rupees. coins. This is the 10 rupee coin. Yes, this is also, and this is. So these are the 10 rupees, 50 paisa, 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees coins, and we are using in nowadays. Now we will see the notes. This is the note of 5 rupees. It's a green color. This is the old one, 5 rupees note. It is also in currency now. 10 rupees note. This is another type of 10 rupees note. This is also the 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, and now this is the newly printed 20 rupees note. This is the 50 rupees note. This is also the note of 50 rupees, and now this is also 50 rupees note. This is old 100 rupees note. We can use also nowadays. This is 100 rupees note, and this is newly printed 100 rupees note, and all the notes are printed by Reserve Bank of India. This is the sign of Governor of Reserve Bank of India. This is the 200 rupees note. This is the new 500 rupees note, and this is 2000 rupees note, which is we are using in nowadays. And this is the 1000 rupees note, but we are not using it now. So dear students, in this way we learn about the coins and notes which are we using in nowadays. Okay, we will see the another information of this topic in our next video. We will meet again. Thank you for watching this video. We will discuss in next video, okay, the remaining part of this content. Okay, bye.